a Studebaker to check out at Unique, especially in classics. Not going to see a lot of these either. 1963 Studebaker Avanti R1 Sport Coupe. Less than 2,300 of these produced. This particular one, era correct. Power underneath the hood. 289 V8 paired up with an automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC, and the modern AC 134A. Blows cold, very cold. Take a look at the chrome and the unique front end on these Avantis. There is a little dinger. Right up here, of course, a glass body car. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Avanti wheel covers and radial tires. It has had restoration work, has had a repaint. I'd call this kind of a mocha, I guess if you will, a little lighter than that. Very interesting and cool looking color on this car. Red interior has also been redone, carpeting, vinyl. We'll get around to the driver's side so you can take a little closer look at that. We're going to start it up, open the hood, let you see that. Take your time looking through the underside pictures also. You're going to see newer exhaust components. Also like frame, hog troughs were inspected, and those have been undercoated. So it looks very nice underneath there. So nice restoration work that's been done on this one. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist with transportation. As you can see, dual exhaust coming out the rear. Chrome bumper, nice shape on the rear also. And take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Enjoy local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Like I said, you're not going to come across a lot of these out there. When you're out and about, we know that this car has spent some time in California and Texas. Previous owners, pass that along. When we pop the hood, you're also going to see aluminum radiator. Car runs cool. It also has Studebaker scripted valve covers, which is rather interesting. They look like Offenhauser with the Studebaker script on them. All right, how about some more of this interior? Door panels. As you can see, nice shape and a cool color combination. Again, on this car with, I don't know, maybe kind of a fawn exterior, I guess, if you will, with the red vinyl buckets, center console, black carpeting, all been redone. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Did you check out this gauge cluster too? Fire up that 289. First of all, you see oil pressure pops right up. Vacuum gauge does work. Radio's also working. Did not get a reading off the fuel gauge. Tach, yes. Water temp, that was a cold start, so I won't expect that to be up. Amp meter, and then it appears the clock is in op. I have had the wipers working. Cool feature here. Check that out. How neat's that? Of course, the light switches up above. Just very interesting cars. You can hear this one sounds good. Again, that 289, era correct. 289 underneath the hood. Flip around in the back so you can hear this run. A little rumble coming out of that. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I'll pop this hood. We'll check out this engine bay quick. So here's the hood popped. You heard it running from behind the car and everything, so I just thought I'd click it off, make it a little easier for you to hear me. You can see new brake booster. Again, aluminum radiator. So up front there. And we'll get around to the other side. I'll show you AC compressor. Battery's new, looks like in 12 of 22. there's those Studebaker kind of fin valve covers I was talking about. Like I said, they look like Offenhausers. Again, this is that Air Correct 289. Slip around to the passenger side here so we can take a peek quick, and you can see newer AC compressor, and it is the more modern 134A. There you get a shot at that aluminum radiator. Electric polar fan. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the tags on it. There's a VIN tag down on the frame, or serial number, I guess, in this case. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the stamp from the engine. And check that all out. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Give us a call.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1963 Studebaker Avanti. You don't see that many of these. Our gauges are all working. We got oil pressure over 40. Water temperature is 180. Amps are charging. Fuel is showing about 1/8 of a tank. Our tachometer works. Both our blinker indicators are working. Speedometer does work. And we're at 55 miles an hour. It's a nice smooth ride. It goes nice and straight down the road. Car steers easily, feels good on the road. These have a stance to them where they're nice and low in the front. I think that just helps with handling. Our windshield wipers do function. You have a rear view mirror halfway down the windshield that kind of neat. It's in a good spot for me being taller. I can see right over it and all the cars at intersections. Has a good sound too, good exhaust sound. Very cool Studebaker Avanti. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.